This 2023 Capri Retreat short bed 5.5 feet is a truck camper RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Capri is 10 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, self-contained, LP detector, external shower, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, stovetop burner, air conditioning, microwave, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Capri Retreat short bed 5.5 feet is 1,615 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.